Yo, it's the greatest. Ha! It's your boy Prodigy in the building. Yo, let's rock with it. What?
You know I'm hot, I get it poppin', so they sayin'. And now you know just how I flow when it goes. Let's get it poppin', baby, you know how we do it in here. It's Prodigy and possibly the dopest one of the year. It seems like every time I stroll in, you know I be soaring. Go ahead and call them girls and bring a couple of friends. I do the flies, how to fly, cool with the lemonade. Shorty gotta be lying, saying she don't know my name. Got my whole crew with me, and they ain't going nowhere. And we gon' get in where we fit and saying, you know I came a long way, I done learned so many lessons. But the most important is that my family is my blessing. And even when they stressing, just let it be. Without them, there's no me. Prodigy. You know I'm hot, I get it poppin', so they sayin'. And now you know just how I flow when it goes. You know I'm hot, I get it poppin', so they sayin'. And now you know just how I flow when it goes.
Big mama in the house, I'm getting my rap on. Don't think I can't hang, I party all night long. I love everybody, keep my family close, cause that's all you got and what matters the most. Celebrate with good people, got no time for stress, even at times when they don't always treat you the best. Now I ain't here preaching, you know how Big Mama be. Now give it up for my man, Prodigy.